Welcome to the Passive Installer video series. In this video, we will cover how to test that the immersion element of the hot water tank is functioning correctly. You can test the immersion element using the Passive programmer. Note that testing the immersion can take over an hour, as the Passive Smart Thermostat will utilize the heat pump initially to reduce electricity usage. Firstly, go to the programmer and hold down the up and down buttons for 5 seconds to open the installer menu. This menu is also displayed at the end of the commissioning process. From this menu, select Immersion Test. This screen shows the current tank temperature, details of when the last immersion test was run, and the maximum cylinder temperature achieved during the last test. You can start a new test by selecting Start Test. This will override the data from the last run test displayed on this screen. Once you have started the immersion test, the cylinder temperature should start to rise. Let the test run until the cylinder temperature exceeds 60 degrees Celsius for at least an hour to ensure reliable and safe operation for anti-Legionella cycles. While the programmer will inform you of the tank temperature in real time, it is recommended to also check the tank itself to confirm that the temperature probe is providing reliable readings. Also ensure that the local isolator is labeled to avoid the user powering it off, and that the high temperature thermostat is set to maximum. After the test has exceeded 60 degrees Celsius, the test can be stopped. The result of the test will be stored on the programmer until either the test is rerun or an anti-Legionella cycle automatically runs. If the test fails to reach 60 degrees Celsius, this could be an issue with the immersion element and its high temperature thermostat. Ensure that the immersion element will be able to reach 60 degrees Celsius, as this is essential for the safety of the system. Once you have completed commissioning and any required settings changes in the installer menu, you can leave the installer menu, or the programmer will revert to the user menu after an hour. To find out more about the Passive Smart Thermostat, visit our website at passiveuk.com. Passive, the smart way to control your heat pump.